for the outsider who are primarily scientifically thinking and they're brought up is like a religious. That means they kept religious belief totally separate and their education is totally separate. So, for example, for me, so when we grew up from the very beginning, since childhood, that paradigm is so much ingrained in the system that the moment you say something like that Earth might be centered and the Earth might not be moving, relativity theory might be wrong, automatically people think either you are from different world or you are not scientifically educated enough or you are just religiously fanatic or literalist. That means whatever Bible says, you take it literally, that means it has to be true. But